Welcome to Chain Maths for Graduates. Today we are going to derive wave equation. So let's start. Suppose we have elastic string of length L and it is fixed between 2 points, point O and point A. Okay, and if we provide some distortion, then it vibrates between point O and point A. Okay, now let us assume that horizontal axis is x-axis and vertical axis is u-axis. Okay, and here u is deflection. Okay, this u depends on x and time t, hence u is function of x and t. Okay, now consider 2 points, point P and point Q. Suppose these are 2 points, point P and point Q, and now horizontal distance of this point P is x and horizontal distance of this point Q is x plus del x. Okay, and suppose length of this wire PQ is del S. Okay, and now consider the motion of string PQ and tension at point P and Q will be along its tangent. Okay, so suppose tension at point P is T1, so direction of T1 will be in this direction along its tangent. So this is tension T1, and suppose tension at point Q is T2, so it will be in this direction. This is T2. Okay, now suppose this tension T1 makes an angle of alpha with horizontal, so this is angle alpha, and suppose tension T2 makes an angle of beta with horizontal, so this angle is beta. Okay, now resolving these tension T1 and T2. Okay, so horizontal component of tension T1 will be, this will be T1 cos alpha, and vertical component of tension T1 will be T1 sin alpha. Okay, horizontal component of tension T2 will be T2 cos beta, and vertical component of tension T2 will be T2 sin beta. Okay, now taking motion along x-axis, since there is no acceleration along x-axis, hence net force along x-axis will be 0. Okay, hence Fx is 0. Okay, and net force along axis is what? It is T2 cos beta minus T1 cos alpha, and this equals to 0. Okay, and from this equation I can write T2 cos beta, this equals to T1 cos alpha. Okay, now suppose this value equals to some value, suppose that value is capital T. Okay, now taking motion along u axis. Okay, so Fu, this will be m into del square u over del t square. Okay, here m is mass of wire PQ and del square u over del t square is obviously acceleration along u axis. Why so? Because double derivative of displacement with respect to time is acceleration. Okay, now let's find mass of string PQ. We know that mass equals to density into volume. Okay, that means we have to find volume here. Okay, and suppose density of string is rho, cross section area of wire is A, and it is given that length of string is del S, hence mass will be, this small m will be rho del S into A. Okay, and into acceleration is del square u over del t square. Okay, that means we have Fu equals to rho del S A into del square u over del t square. Okay, and here Fu is what? Fu is net force along u direction. Okay, so net force along u direction is what? It is T2 sin beta minus T1 sin alpha, this equals to rho del S A del square u over del t square. Okay, now dividing this equation with capital T. Okay, and capital T is this. Okay, so on dividing we have T2 sin beta over T, this minus T1 sin alpha over T, this equals to rho del S A over T into del square U over del T square. Okay, and T is what? T is T2 cos beta. Okay, so putting the value of capital T here, so T2 sin beta over T is T2 cos beta minus T1 sin alpha over capital T. Capital T is T1 cos alpha, so this is T1 cos alpha, this equals to rho del S A over T del square U del T square. Okay, now cancelling T2 and T1. Okay, so sin beta over cos beta is tan beta minus sin alpha over cos alpha is tan alpha, this equals to rho del S A over T into del square U over del T square. Okay, now tan beta is what? It is slope at point Q. Okay, so this slope, I can write this slope as del U over del X at point Q, and Q is X plus del X. Okay, minus tan alpha. Tan alpha is what? It is slope at point P. Okay, so I can write this as del U over del X at point P, and point P is X. Okay, and this equals to rho del S A over T del square U over del T square. Okay, now I have considered this wire PQ is very small, so this length del S is approximately equals to del X. Okay, so replacing this del S with del X. Okay, so on replacing, RHS will be rho del X A over T del square U over del T square, and in LHS we have del U over del X at point X plus del X minus del U over del X at point X. Okay, now dividing this equation with del X. Okay, so on dividing in RHS, this del X cancels out, and this is what? This is derivative of del U over del X by first principle. Okay, from the definition of derivative, this will be del square U over del X square. Okay, and this equals to rho A over T del square U over del T square. Okay, now this is positive value, rho is positive, A is cross section area, this is positive, and T is also positive, so I can replace this constant with C square. So this is C square del square U over del T square, and in LHS we have del square U over del X square. Okay, and this is required wave equation. Okay, so this video ends here. If you have learned something valuable from this video, then show support by subscribing channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.